What are class loaders? Java was designed thinking platform independency in mind. So, from loading libraries point of view, it should not rely only on the file systems. In short, it is not necessary that you should be able to load libraries which are in only file systems, but also from other resources like file transfer and hypertext transfer. So Java went on went one step further. You can load classes from across network or from any other sources like file transfer protocol and HTTP etc. In order to attain this, class loaders came into picture. So in Java we can load classes across network from any other source like file transfer and hypertext transfer. Now in order to attain this, class loaders came into picture. Class loader is the class responsible for finding and loading classes at runtime. So at runtime means at running the application. Now uh, you can either use different class loaders or you can make a custom one. There are three types of class loaders in Java. A. Bootstrap class loader or primordial class loader. B. Extension class loader and C. System class loader. So these are three main class loaders in Java: Bootstrap, Extension, System. First, Bootstrap or primordial class loader. Bootstrap class loader load those classes which are essential for JVM to function properly, that is Java Virtual Machine. Bootstrap class loader is responsible for loading all core Java classes, for instance java.lang, java.io, etc. Now Bootstrap class loader finds these necessary classes from JDK JRE library rt.jar. So these classes are essential for Java Virtual Machine to function properly. Bootstrap class loader is responsible for loading all core Java classes like Java, Lang, Java, IO, etc. Now extension class loader. So these bootstrap classes are essential for operation of JVM. Second is extension class loader. Extension class loader is the immediate child of bootstrap class loader. This class loader loads the classes in library.external directory of the JRE. Third is system class loader. System class path loader is the immediate child of extension class loader. So like extension class loader loads classes in library external directory, and bootstrap class loader loads file in JDK JRE uh, loads file from JDK JRE library rt.jar. Now system class path loader, which is immediate child of extension class loader, it loads the classes and jars specified by class path environment variable java.class path. Now CP or class path command line settings. If any of the jars specified in one of the above manner have manifest.mf file with class path attribute, the jars specified by the class path attribute are also loaded. This class loader is also used to load an application's entry point class, that is static void main method in class. So main method is loaded by system class path loader also only. Now first is bootstrap class loader, which loads those classes which are essential for JVM, so to function properly. Now extension class loader is an immediate child of bootstrap class loader, loads the classes in library external directory. Now system class path loader is immediate child of extension class loader, loads classes specified by class path environment variable java.class path system properly.